Real talk, mamas. There is absolutely nothing more intimidating than stepping onto a Beverly Hills red carpet, rocking a couture gown, while secretly praying your milk doesn't let down the exact second the paparazzi flash their cameras. If you are a breastfeeding mom navigating high-profile events, luxury vacations, or just a really fancy night out, you do not have to sacrifice your glam or your supply. You can do both, and look like a total icon doing it. Today, we are going to spill the tea on the ultimate red carpet logistics for breastfeeding and pumping, so you can strut past those velvet ropes like a VIP. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your ultimate destination for mastering motherhood without losing your fabulous aesthetic. We know that having a baby doesn't mean your social calendar comes to a screeching halt. Whether you are heading to a Hollywood premiere, breezing through TSA for a first-class vacation, or attending a charity gala, you need a flawless strategy. Grab your iced matcha and let's get into it, because we are breaking down the exact luxury hacks to keep your liquid gold safe and your designer dress totally spotless. First up, let's talk about the glam process. Getting ready is half the fun, but it is also prime time for multitasking. If you are sitting in the makeup chair for 2 hours, that is your golden window to pump. You need a completely cordless, wearable pump like the LV or the Willow. It is a total game changer. You can slip it right inside your silk robe and pump a solid 6 ounces while your stylist is perfecting your blowout. You are saving precious time, keeping your supply up, and avoiding the stress of rushing right before you slip into your gown. Next, we have to talk about what happens when you actually hit the carpet. You cannot exactly carry a bulky diaper bag or a plastic cooler past security at the theater. You have to go undercover. This is where investing in a high-end, discreet travel chiller is worth the big bucks. A chic stainless steel chiller will keep your milk perfectly cold for 20 hours, and the best part is it looks just like an expensive water bottle. You can hand it to your plus one to slide into their suit jacket, or stash it in a larger designer clutch. No one is going to ask questions, and you won't have to worry about rushing back to your hotel room. It is sneaky, it is bougie, and it is absolute perfection. Finally, let's discuss the wardrobe logistics for the after party. If you are planning to nurse your baby or pump in a VIP suite between events, you cannot wear a dress that requires a team of people to unzip. You need strategic fashion. Look for high-end gowns with hidden side zippers, corset backs, or stunning two-piece sets that allow easy access without totally undressing. Pair that with some ultra-absorbent, luxury bamboo nursing pads. They are incredibly thin, completely invisible under silk or satin, and they will save you from any disastrous leaks when you suddenly think about your baby miles away. Navigating a glamorous night out as a breastfeeding mom doesn't have to feel impossible. With the right gear, confidence, and a little prep, you can dominate the red carpet and still bring home the milk. If you loved these hacks and want more insider tips on luxury travel, the best luxury strollers, and living your best mom life, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a big thumbs up if you have ever pumped in full glam, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite bougie baby product. Thanks for watching Milky Way Travels, and we will catch you in the next one. Stay fabulous, mamas.